Looking for an ink cartridge that delivers consistent, high-quality prints without the frustration of frequent replacements? The Brother Genuine LC406XLBK Black INKvestment Tank ink cartridge promises exactly that, up to 6,000 sharp, clear pages you can count on every time you hit print. What sets this cartridge apart is how it's engineered to work flawlessly with Brother printers. Brother doesn't just sell ink. They offer a complete printing system where every component is tested to ensure smooth, reliable operation. That means fewer jams, less downtime, and prints that look professional from the first page to the last. From personal experience, using genuine Brother ink makes a noticeable difference. When I replaced the starter cartridge in my Brother MFC-J5855DW, the new LC406XLBK cartridge was immediately recognized and ready to go. The starter lasted barely a month, especially with heavy use, but this cartridge handles large print jobs without a hitch. It's true that OEM cartridges often cost more upfront, but the reliability and print quality make it worth the investment. If you've ever tried third-party or compatible cartridges, you know the risk: inconsistent color, error messages, or even printer damage. For newer models like the MFC-J5855DW, compatible options are scarce and often unreliable. Sticking with Brother Genuine ink means you avoid those headaches and get the most out of your printer's capabilities. Brother also offers a range of page yields, so you can pick the cartridge that fits your printing needs. Whether you print occasionally or tackle large projects regularly, there's an option designed to minimize how often you swap cartridges. That's a small but meaningful convenience that adds up over time. If that's you, someone who values dependable, crisp prints without the hassle, this Brother Genuine LC406XLBK ink cartridge is worth a look. It's designed to keep your printer running smoothly while delivering the quality you expect. Ready to upgrade your printing experience? Choosing Brother Genuine ink means fewer interruptions, better print results, and a smarter long-term choice for your printer. Try it when you're ready and see the difference genuine quality makes.